Today we are in Uluwatu, Bali at the wonderful Alila resort for another cooking class. We start with a tour of the garden where we see the spices and chili peppers.
So this is also they like some. Have you ever go for street food?
And here we have a sour relative of the star fruit, which is used in seafood soups. All of the dishes that we are about to cook have their ingredients nicely laid out. We'll go ahead and eventually see those as I work these into further videos. The tools are also very traditional. You can see the knife and the ulek ulek.
My hands.
Of course, those of you who know my cooking know I love to work with an ulek ulek, and so here I'm grinding the spices under the watchful eye of the chef here, who is also named Made. This is a great deal of fun, and for the most part I'm grinding it to almost the final consistency, and then he's doing a little more. And I also use the the small little piece of limestone that I use to crush spices on a plate and stuff like that.
The size of the stone is the spice paste.
So many of the spice pastes here are sautéed after grinding, and these ones are no exception. So here they're being sautéed.
In here a little I put already salt when we ground the coriander. Yeah. So the spices no need to put more salt because later when we aromatic already.
That's smelling really good.
This is what we promise. The taste of the food already tasty before the food is done, right?
Yeah.
So the way how to prepare the ingredients.
One note is that metal container you see on the stove, and you see two of them here, those are actually traditional steamers, and the items that are steamed would typically be held in those bamboo baskets.
Like a rich flavor.
Yeah, difficult to make this.
Some of them are very difficult.
And then the style. The style is every place they have different style.
Everywhere has different styles, and some dishes are really
this
complicated.
This is my style.
You know, these ones are maybe a little bit easier, but I've done mi ayam.
Mi ayam.
And mi ayam looks easy, but then I had to figure out how to make the noodles.
Yes.
Then I had to figure out how to make the broth. And I still
already become spice paste. After that, shrimp paste. Do you like shrimp paste?
Yes.
Yeah. This,
but
not
one
much.
yeah.
Shrimp paste. After
But
that,
we need to be careful about which ones we put it in, because one of my kids
allergic.
is,
Yeah. Better we don't put.
So
Coriander already crushed. Coconut milk. Yeah. Coconut milk. After that, palm sugar is just.
the spice paste is then mixed with some coconut milk and minced chicken in order to make the basic filling for the tumayam.
We cool down first, yeah?
Yeah, because otherwise it will
getting
cook
cold
that. Another ingredient which is added to a lot of dishes such as this is palm sugar, and here we're just going to shave some pieces off and then stir them into the chicken as well. Later I got to use this knife, and it's really changed how I think about working with chef knives. This is quite an impressive knife. I had to buy one later.
So this is the spice paste.
And so we add everything but the big pieces that were added to salt and sauté, right?
Do you mind to mix this one?
So then I mixed everything together and made sure that it would come out with all the flavors blended once we steam it. This will then be put into banana leaves, folded and steamed in the traditional steamer.
What the satay lilit? The satay lilit, the way to make satay lilit like this one?
Yep.
But when we make satay lilit, we put the grated coconut here.
Yep. Went ahead and sped up the video here for stirring it all up.
If you do like spicy, we can edit some chopped chili.
Yeah,
It's okay.
it's fine.
Yeah.
Once
There are many
everything
ways
was
in the
mixed,
Balinese or Indonesian how to
Executive
have this
Chef
one.
Made
One dish
helped me
make like
understand the proper
parcel.
technique for folding these
like
in the
this.
banana leaves.
And then
These are then
this is like a
secured
belt.
with a small piece of banana leaf
So
and
if you are drive
a
a car, you have to
toothpick.
pass your seat belt, right? Strap toothpick. Okay. Yeah.
Oh, that's
Like
nice.
this. Okay.
Okay.
Now you get challenged to
Following
make-
his example, I then had to
Okay,
try it
then mine.
myself.
Okay, we'll try.
try. Yeah. Okay. Don't forget ya, lamb rib.
Not that much, you say?
Yeah, that's much is okay.
Okay.
Yes, fantastic. Yeah, you hold in the middle. Yes, you are the best. One time you make already perfect. Yes. Now the
Then
belt.
a small piece here.
Yes. Fantastic.
Very toothpick.
This is we call tum wrap. This is we can make from pork, chicken. After that, prawn. Yeah.
Alright, like that.
Yeah. Yeah. Sure.
And then here you can see the use of the traditional steamer in steaming this tum ayam.
Bubbling already.
The metal container beneath is the boiler, and then we put the items to be steamed in this bamboo basket and cover it with a terracotta lid.
So we.
Next, we made a dessert out of steamed pumpkin, sugar, rice flour, and we went ahead and steamed this in a banana leaf.
Rice flour. So that sugar, yeah. If we like, this is the quantity is here, but sometimes I just not too much sugar, yeah.
Yeah.
And then a pinch of salt, yeah.
Just a pinch
This,
of
yeah,
salt, yeah.
to make a balance that this. Sugar and salt is very nice.
Once the ingredients were all added, I was able to mix them together and form them into the basic sort of dumpling dough that becomes the dessert.
Because the water is come from the
From the squash itself.
squash. After that, also from the grated coconut, because we use the fresh one, yeah. Of
Yeah.
course, there are juicy inside.
So do I need to squeeze it or
A little bit squeeze, but not too hard, yeah, because otherwise
Right.
too watery.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, just make sure to mix everything.
Once everything's mixed well, it's time to stuff the banana leaves for steaming. And these will be folded differently, as Executive Chef Made shows.
And then this is the take a spoon, but big spoon, yeah. Come on like this. After that we press like this, make some square. After this, this is we hold it like this.
Okay.
We bake it, yeah, like this, yeah. After that, this is my mother's secret dish. So we don't have to get the toothpick to tie it; they tie it by themselves.
Oh.
Like pyramid, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. We go together, tie together, okay?
Okay. So.
So like this one, yeah. This is in the middle, yeah, in the center, yeah. A little bit on top, yeah. You fold it like this. This way first. This way
Okay.
first, yeah.
This folding technique was far more difficult than the previous one, and it took me quite a while to kind of get it right.
You fight in the middle, this one in the center, and then this your finger like this one, make this other, yeah. Like this already, yeah. Try to this one, the long one. After that, this fold it like this one,
Like this.
No, this. Go inside, yeah, that.
Okay.
This is you have to in the top like this one, because you will fold it like this, right?
Like this?
to mix terracotta conical. Little bit down. Yeah. This perfect way, but a little bit down here.
Okay.
To make it little bit. So
Okay.
there are space like this. This is like a rabbit here. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, still. Okay, good. After that, take a spoon. Okay, make like this one too. Two more. Not too big or not too small.
This about right?
Yeah, you're right. Maybe half more. Half more, a little bit. Yeah, a little bit press like this because you want to.
Right.
See. Then already like this one, you turn it now. Turn it now. This is to your side. And then fold it to the top. Yes. You find like
And
this
then
one, right?
it's like
Yeah. A little bit this position, yeah. Not
not quite straight.
not to try horizontal like this.
You
A
need-
little
'cause it
bit.
needs-
Yeah.
'cause you need to be able to fold it into
Yes,
there.
because you want to put inside, so will be strap. This is there are space to fold it. Okay, fantastic pyramid coming. Excellent. One more.
Right, and I know that this one was, but
Oh,
yeah.
Once the tum ayam is done and the dessert is steaming, we turn our attention to the seafood soup.
Like this one. We put the stock. You can use chicken stock or fish stock, yeah? Or prawn stock.
Here we've gone ahead and added the stock, then we'll add the seasonings and finally the seafood itself.
Or put some lime juice, yeah?
Okay.
Tunggu dulu. Biar bubbling dulu.
Saya nungguin ini.
Ya itu. Atau didekatin aja dulu biar. Iya.
So with the lime juice, I take it the lime juice. Did you put lime juice on the fish also, or
We marinate, yeah.
a little bit? Yeah,
A little bit.
I see it's starting to. It's starting to change from on the bottom.
Yeah, like this, yeah.
Yeah.
Because bubbling will skim off the stuff that forms on the surface. Some people actually even strain the whole broth, but we're going to go ahead and leave it with little chunks of
Yeah, I guess get the
seasoning in
foam
it.
off a little bit. Yeah.
And finally, as soon as this is done, we will go ahead and add the seafood.
Now we start to add our ingredient. This is we put last.
Yeah, the squid does not take very long to
Yeah.
cook.
And then start to put the ingredient this one. Chili. This is also tomato last.
All in all, I learned a lot and had a great time. This was a great experience.